Can you vacuum seal Mylar bags with the A100 vacuum sealer? Most Mylar bags on the market are a smooth foil on both sides. That means that you cannot vacuum a Mylar bag using the A100, but you can heat seal it. If you find Mylar bags that have the embossed texture like a regular vacuum sealer bag, you will be able to vacuum seal it as well. So you will need to adjust your seal time setting. So it comes standard at a 3 for a regular vacuum sealer bag. We're gonna adjust this up to 6 for this particular bag. We'll go ahead, press the seal button. And remember, since it is not an embossed vacuum sealer bag, it will not vacuum it, but it will seal the Mylar bag.